Hello, dear friends. Glad to see you on my channel again. Today, I'll be building a compact yet versatile desk studio using 4 products from NEEWER. This setup is perfect for product reviews, live streaming, macro shots, and creative work, all from the comfort of your own desk. The first product is the NEEWER Softbox Lighting Set NK200 Kit. This professional kit is perfect for advertising products, photo art, industry, science and technology photography, as well as photographic reproductions. The kit contains 2 softbox, 3 LED lamp, 2 light stand and carry bag. This 35W LED bulb, CE and UKCA certified, delivers the power of a traditional 350W bulb with 3450 lumens, perfect for studio photography and video recording. Just screw it into a standard E27 socket for bright, steady, and flicker-free light. The included light stand is made of durable aluminum alloy, providing exceptional stability even during heavy use. Quick single-action locks make height adjustments fast and precise. The softbox gently diffuses the light, creating smooth, even illumination for your best shots. With the E27 socket, you can easily connect LED bulbs, fluorescent lamps, or slave flashes to achieve the lighting you need. And for convenience, everything comes with a carry bag, making transport and protection of your gear simple and hassle-free. Now let's take a look at the NK-03 camera desk mount rig. Includes 3 stands and 2 crossbars for tables of varied lengths or mounting above the right-angled corner of the table. Features multiple mounting points, a super clamp, a phone clip for attaching diverse photography accessories and equipment, ideal for live streaming, still life photography, unboxing reviews, photography lighting. This is ultra-thin LED panel light. The video light is only 1 cm thick and weighs 580 gra. It is a portable solution for indoor-outdoor photography and videography. A cold shoe adapter for angle adjustment, an EU charger, and an 8000 mAh lithium battery for versatile charging. Ideal for portrait photos, studio photo shoots, video podcasts, live streaming, and movie recording. It's a reliable overhead camera rig for top-down and flat-lay photography. Each stand has an adapter with stud and a screw for attaching a photography accessory or device at the top. The crossbars can hang a camera or phone via the included super clamp and phone clip. The height-adjustable stands and length-adjustable crossbars provide flexible layouts for customized overhead shots. The flexible 360-degree rotatable dual ball heads can be adjusted to any angle for any overhead shooting views, and the super clamp on the other end tightly mount to the crossbar with a hand-tighten knob. With threads, locating points, and a built-in cold shoe mount, the super clamp and magic arm can attach accessories like a phone holder, monitor, camera cage, microphone, LED lights, and more. This top-down platform allows you to photograph with a camera or smartphone based on your need or preference. The magic arm with a screw can attach a camera or smartphones. Robust anodized aluminum alloy stands and crossbars enable you to attach other mounting accessories and telescopic crossarms for more creative and professional shots. Every stand comes with a 6.5 cm wide non-slip rubber padded C-clamp for stable mounting without scratching your desktop. If you're looking for an affordable, space-saving, and truly professional desk setup, the NEEWER overhead camera mount combined with the other accessories in this kit is an excellent choice. With adjustable mounts, you can position your camera exactly where you need it. Whether you're filming top-down tutorials, flat-lay product shots, or creative overhead videos. The sturdy crossbars and extension arms give you the flexibility to adjust height, angle, and distance. So every frame looks just the way you imagined. The lighting system makes a real difference. Soft yet powerful, the LED lights ensure your workspace is always evenly illuminated, free from harsh shadows or flicker. Portable and easy to set up, they allow you to work comfortably at any time of day, turning even a small home desk into a professional mini studio. Thanks to the smart design, the entire setup is compact and space-saving. Perfect for creators who want to keep their desk organized without compromising on production quality. And with extra extension arms, you can add more gear, experiment with different angles, and capture every shot with precision, all without ever leaving your desk. Whether you're recording YouTube videos, live streaming, shooting photography content, or just exploring your creativity, this setup offers reliability, flexibility, and professional results at an affordable price. It's a complete solution for creators who want to do more, even with limited space. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with other creators. Have questions about the NEEWER gear? Drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help.